Welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Missing cafe food? Miss it no more, cause I have brought to you one of my favorite cafe-style sandwich recipes, egg salad sandwich. I'm sure you're gonna love it too. Let's begin then. First, we need to boil some eggs. Place the eggs in a pot and fill sufficient water to drown them. Add a pinch of salt and place them on moderate heat and cook until the water starts boiling. When the water starts to boil, switch off the flame, cover the pot with a lid and set the timer for 7 minutes. If you like creamier eggs, you can set the timer to 6 or 6.5 minutes. After 7 minutes, remove the eggs and place them in an ice water bath. Peel them after they are cooled. To make the salad dressing, add the mayo and mustard sauce in a bowl and mix well. Then add sugar, salt, pepper powder, paprika, and spring onion greens and give it a nice mix. You can use Kashmiri lal mirch if you don't have paprika. Now cut the boiled eggs in chunks this way and gently mix them with the salad dressing. Our egg salad is ready. You can directly place it on cold bread to make sandwiches. But I like my bread a little crunchy, so I have buttered the bread slices on one side and toasted them. Now spread the egg salad on the untoasted side and cover with another bread slice, untoasted side down. Gently press it and our yummy egg salad sandwiches are ready. I like to enjoy them with some salted potato chips and hot coffee. I hope you give this a try too, and do let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.